See this one, beta. See this question. Curve surface అయిపోయిందా?
Yes sir, అయిపోయింది సార్. యాక్చువల్గా
అది
ఫినిష్
exam
చేశారు
ఉందా?
సార్. ఎస్ సార్, అక్కడ వరకు ఉంది సార్.
See this question, madam. Consider the
Yes.
situation in the figure. The bottom of the part is reflecting. The bottom of the part is reflecting particulation. That means this one.
ఎస్ సార్.
This is reflecting అంటే ఒక plane mirror ఉందని అర్థం ఇక్కడ.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay na? Now see here. Consider situation in the figure. The bottom of the pot is reflecting plane mirror. S is a small fish. Okay, and T is the human eye. Where is the T is the human eye? Here, somewhere here right now if I'm taking as E. This E is your human eye.
Yes sir.
T badal E petko is an human eye. Refractive index of water is given as of your mu. At what distance from itself will the fish see the images? First question. At what distance from itself will the fish see the images of your eye? Images of what? Eye.
Eye sir.
This fish is one ability that it can directly see the eye from the water beta.
Yes sir.
And it also can see the image in the mirror.
Yes sir.
ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఐ యొక్క ఇమేజ్ బికాజ్ దిస్ ఐ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కదా ఆ ఐ యొక్క ఇమేజ్ కూడా అంతే దూరంలో పడుతుంది కదా.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? That means from the mirror what is the distance of the eye? H plus H 2H. Then image కూడా 2H కూడా పడుతుందా?
Yes sir.
Now tell me, when the fish is seeing the eye directly, will it appear nearer or far?
Farther sir.
Far. Very good. Is that condition
Yes.
clear?
Yes sir.
Isn't it? So I'm taking the first case right now. The first case is fish is seeing right now for me. I'll write this one. Fish is seeing eye through water. Through water.
Yes.
Above. Then paina. Avuna kada? So
Yes.
fish is seeing the above through, then I'll write here right now. One I can write directly. Through number A, first condition. Okay. One it is seeing directly అనుకుందాం. Okay. If it is saying directly, now tell me the free word diagram for this one better. See here right now. If this is your water and here is your fish. The distance of this fish from here to here, this will be equal to how much beta? H by 2.
Yes sir. H by 2.
The eye is how much distance right now from here to here? This distance is how much for me? E.
Yes sir.
So this will be equal to your E. This is your position of your T. And this is the distance of your H. So for this one, this point is appearing to be far away right now here. So this will be
Yes,
equal to T dash.
Yes sir.
Avuna kada? I actually is the distance of H. Avuna kada? But when
But
it
it'll
is
appear
seen,
far.
it appears to be far away kada?
Yes sir.
So when it is appearing to be seen far away, now you know that from here to here, the real depth will be equal to how much beta? Mu times of capital H.
Yes sir.
Now derivation manam.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? Now tell me what is the distance right now? F to T dash will be equal to how much? This is only the distance na, of your eye when the fish
Yes,
is seeing
sir.
it directly. Avuna kada?
Yes.
So what will be the answer for this one? H by 2 plus of your mu times of your H.
Yes sir.
So what I can take common in this one? This is your H into 1 by 2 plus of your mu. So this is the
Yes, sir.
distance at which it is seeing it directly. Adhamainda?
Yes sir.
Isn't it? Is the question clear for you? See, the bottom of the pot is reflecting. S is the small fish and T
Yes,
is the
sir.
human eye. Refractive index of water is mu. At what distance from itself will the fish see the images of the eye? Images of the eye. First one is it is seeing directly. It is seeing directly. Avuna kada? In the next situation, the fish is also seeing the image of this one kada? It is also seeing the image.
Yes sir.
Where it will
In
see
the
the
middle.
image? Can you tell me beta? Where it will see the image? Can you tell me? Number B.
2H sir.
One directly. Number B. If this is your surface and here is your fish somewhere right now for this one. So this is the reflecting mirror kada. Okay, మన దగ్గర ఫిష్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది అనుకుందాం. This is the position of your fish. So fish from the plane mirror is how much distance right now, beta? h/2. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
Now fish will see the eye. Eye is how much right now for me? Apparent depth is right now t dash. T dash means what is the distance, beta? Can you tell me? This distance will be equal to how much? Can you tell me? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుందో చెప్పగలుగుతావా?
Sir, it will be h only.
No, see distance right now fish to t dash. F to t dash ఎంత?
F2 T dash is sir h/2.
Yeah, so this distance, tell me. You tell me this distance from the mirror. Think and tell me. T dash to your mirror. T dash to the mirror. And T dash to the fish already it is how much, beta? h/2 kada.
Yes, sir.
Now mirror is also at how much distance from the fish? h/2. h/2 plus h/2 it will be h kada.
H, yes, sir.
So it will be h plus of your mu into h. That
Yes,
is the
sir.
object of your t dash. అవునా కదా?
Yes.
దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ పడుతుంది. దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ పడుతుంది. Here this one is your t dash.
Okay, sir.
So this distance is also equal to how much for me? H plus of your mu into h
Mu
kada.
into h. Yes, sir.
Good mirror kada.
Yes, sir.
So now fish is seeing at what distance means image of the fish, that is nothing but if your t dash will be how much right now? Can you tell me? Image of t dash from fish. From fish. ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు?
Sir, it will be h/2 plus
H plus mu into h plus
h/2. Yes, sir.
So h plus h/2 ఎంత? 1 plus 1/2.
3/2, sir. So it will become
2
3h/2.
times of h plus mu
Yes, sir.
into your h. And this
Yes,
will be
sir.
equal to how much for me? In this one, what I
H
can
common.
take common, beta?
H common.
H I can take common. So this will be equal to 3/2
plus
of your.
mu.
So this will
Yes,
be
sir.
the image of your f and t dash
Yes, sir.
in mirror. Okay, now? Is that clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a situation where, beta, if the fish is seeing the image of your apparent depth, అంటే t dash ని కనుక చూస్తే ఇది ఎంత దూరంలో కనిపిస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ సిచ్యువేషన్, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
If I am saying that if the eye is seeing the fish directly, then you tell me. Now the situation is something like this. Eye is seeing the fish. That means something like bird is seeing the fish. When
It will
bird is
appear
seeing the
nearer,
fish, it
sir.
appears to be raised or it will be at same position.
It will appear nearer, sir.
It appears nearer, obviously. If this is the surface, beta, if this is your fish, it appears to be somewhere here. This is your f dash.
Yes.
అవునా కదా? Isn't it? From here to here, this distance is right now. Real depth is how much for me? h/2. దీని apparent depth ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు right now? That will become for me h by your 2 times of your mu కదా?
Yes, sir.
Got your idea? Mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth.
Yes, sir.
So apparent depth, I am calculating the apparent depth right now. అవునా కదా?
Okay, sir.
So this will be the eye. So eye యొక్క distance ఎంత from the surface of the water? H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
T to f dash will be equal to how much? Can you tell me? T to f dash will be equal to how much? This will be your h plus h by 2
2
mu.
mu. Yes.
That will be equal to h common into 1 plus 1
1
by
by
2 mu. This will be equal
Yes.
to the answer. If the eye is seeing the fish. Okay.
Yes.
Now if eye is seeing the image of the fish formed by the mirror, then what will be the situation? Isn't it? So now see, the eye can be seeing the bird, the fish. The eye can also see the image of the fish kada?
Yes, sir.
Can it see or not?
Which is farer.
Yeah, it's more farther kada, because plane mirror
Yes,
is
sir.
there right now for me. If I'm
At
writing
the
the
bottom.
situation, now I'm writing the situation. Now say for example, if eye is seeing the image of your fish which is being formed by mirror, which is formed by mirror, then will it
Yes.
appear to be nearer or far away?
Even farther.
So let us try to see the situation. Now this is your mirror, beta. Okay. Now here is your fish. This is your
Yes.
fish, and this is your water, and this is your mirror. Okay. Now this is the actual position of your eye. That is nothing but T.
Yes, sir.
From here to here, this distance is how much? H. And then
Yes, sir.
now from here to here, this distance is how much? H.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now the image of this one will form here right now. This will be equal to your F dash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The distance of here to here, it is how much? H by 2. So then your image is also at how much distance? H by 2. And then
Yes, sir.
so now what will be the distance from here to here? H plus H by 2 is how much? H by 2.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the distance of this one? T to F dash will be equal to how much? Now this is only the distance now which he is seeing. He is seeing this F dash only na. Image
Yes, sir.
he is seeing the image anukunte. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Nothing can tell me. See, when the bird is seeing the fish appears to be nearer.
Closer, sir. Nearer, yes.
Isn't it? That means now it is seeing the image of this one somewhere here. That means this is seeing right now. This is your F naught Angundam right now. This will be equal to your F naught Angundam.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, so it'll appear even closer, sir.
Which one?
The image from the mirror.
Now I is seeing the F dash. Kada?
Yes, sir.
Now I is seeing F dash and will it appear nearer or far?
Nearer to denser. It'll appear nearer only, sir.
It will appear nearer. Kada?
Yes,
it
sir.
appears nearer ante. So can I say that it is appearing somewhat above of this one? Kada? Somewhere here it will be right.
Yes, sir. Somewhere there. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now T to F double dash is called. This one is T F double dash.
Yes, sir.
So that will be equal to how much beta? Now can you tell me this distance will be equal to how much beta? From here to here, this apparent depth will be equal to how much? This will become how much for me? 3h by your 2 times of your mu.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will become how much for me? Your h plus this will be your 3h,
3h
divided
by
by 2 times of
2
your.
times.
Isn't it? So in
Yes,
this
sir.
one, what I can do, I can make your h common here. It is your 1 plus of your 3 by 2 times of your mu. This will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
What are conditions?
Yes, sir.
Just a game of your apparent depth and as well as of your real depth formulas basically. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Let me take one more. Chalo. Now see this question. Consider the situation shown in the figure. Find the distance of the image of the P from your eye.
Yes.
Chalo. Tell me. Where is this one right now? How many shifts, how many slabs are there in between right now? There is slab 1, slab 2, slab 3. Okay, from the slab
Yes, sir.
1, the first P is a distance of 4 centimeter. Then you are having a slab of refractive index P, 2. Then there is a thickness of a
Yes, sir.
slab of your T. Isn't it? That means, you know that whenever an object is seen from the rarer medium to denser medium, there will be the shift, Gada.
Yes,
Will
sir.
be shift or not? Shift of the image untunda leda.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? What is the shift formula, beta? When you are seeing it from rarer medium to denser medium, it appears to be nearer.
Nearer, sir. So D
It appears to
into
be
1
nearer
minus
for
1
me.
by mu.
Yeah. Now shift because
Yes.
of the first slab, Chapu. Shift because of the first slab, that is S1 Rasana. S1 is equals to Dani యొక్క thickness T into 1 minus 1 by
1
mu1.
by
Can I
mu.
write like this?
Yes, sir.
So T1 is how much given for me? 2. It is 1 minus 1 by mu1. This one is mu1, this one is mu2, and this one will be mu3. Then, so mu1
Yes.
will be equal to how much? 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is how much? 2 into your 1 by 2. Then,
Yes, sir.
so this one will get cancelled. So this will be 1 centimeter. Okay. Now the
Yes,
shift due to the second slab will be equal to how much beta? S2. S2 will be equal to your T2 into 1 minus of 1 by mu2. And the thickness of this one is given in the problem how much? 3 into 1 minus 1 by mu2 is how much? 3. This one will get cancelled. So this will be, sorry, 1 minus 1 by 3 get cancelled. Sorry. 1
Yes.
minus of your 1 by 3 is how much beta? 1 minus of
2
1
by
by
3.
3. And the
2 by 3.
2 by 3. This one will get cancelled. So this will be equal to 2 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me S3. Now the slab due to your S3 part. So if I'm talking about S3, S3 is equals to T3 into 1 minus 1 by refractive index of mu3. So mu3 is given how much? T3 is given how much in the problem? 4 centimeter. So this is 4 into 1 minus 1 by refractive index of 3 is how much beta? Mu3 value is also equal to 4. So it is 1 minus 1 by 4 is how much beta? 3 by 4. This one
Yes.
will get cancelled. So this will be a 3 centimeters. So total shift will be equal to how much beta?
S1 plus S2 plus
Total, yes,
S3.
total shift will be equal to your S1 plus S2 plus S3. And that will be equal to how much for me? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That will be equal to 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? That means the image of the P is being formed somewhere at a distance of your how much beta? 6 centimeters. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
6 centimeters from where? From the point of your P. From the point of your P part affiliation. Is that clear? That means if you see the
Yes.
object from this eye, this piece image is being formed at what beta? 6 centimeter. అవునా కదా? అంటే it is trying to shift here. So this will be equal to P ఇప్పుడు. అంటే ఇది ఇమేజ్ అనుకుందాం.
Yes.
దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అవునా కదా? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now P to I is how much beta? P to I shift ఎంత అయింది మొత్తం? 6 centimeters అయింది.
Yes.
Now, tell me, P to I will be nearer or far away? Shift.
Shift would be, sir, nearer, sir.
Hmm?
It'll be nearer on this side, sir. From it's coming from even more bottom to higher right.
Now tell me, what will be the EI now? First, I need to know EP. E to P
Yes.
distance ఎంత అవుతుంది మొత్తం చెప్పు. E to P distance కావాలి మనం మొత్తం. E to P distance, total distance ఎంత అవుతుంది జాగ్రత్తగా. ఎందుకంటే మనకి షిఫ్ట్ అయింది ఎంత, ఇది షిఫ్ట్ అయింది ఎంత తెలుసు. బట్ వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ రైట్ నౌ, ఐ నీడ్ దిస్ వన్ కదా. I need from this E to your this one. Kada? Isn't it? So if
Yes.
I know this value, then I can do the subtraction of that one. Isn't it? This one minus of this one. This part.
Yes, sir.
This will give me this one. EPEI. వస్తుందా లేదా?
Yes, sir.
Now E to P will be equal to how much beta? 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2. That will be equal to 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2,
17.
17. 17 plus 4,
21, sir.
21. And the total distance is equals to how much for me? 21. Can I write this one? 21 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, EI will be equal to how much beta? EP minus of your PI. EP
Yes,
is how much for me? 21. This one is how much for me? 6. That means that will be equal to 15 centimeter.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
అర్థమైందా shift problem?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Once can you just show the image, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo, very good. This is also a very good question. See this one better right now. A, B, C, D. Try to understand the question carefully. A, B,
Yes.
C, D. A, B, and C, D are the surfaces of the two slabs as shown in the figure. The medium between the slab has a refractive index of A2. And A and B and C and D madala refractive index is how much for me? 2.
Two.
And the slab AB is how much for me? Root 2. Refractive index of that one is root 2, and below of that one is root 3. That is given in the diagram. Find the minimum angle of incidence so that the total ray is totally reflected by both the slabs. It should be reflected by both the slabs.
Okay.
And the first ray, when it is been falling on your AB, it will get reflected and will fall on the CD.
CD,
Again, when it
again
falls on the
back.
CD, from there it should be reflecting back again.
AB,
That is the
and that
situation.
will keep going on like.
Yeah, that should be going on like that. Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Now see the condition. Now when it is reflecting means what is the concept of that one? But a critical angle hai kada?
Yes, sir.
So if I take the first slab right now like this, Ravka, and this is your normal. Okay. And the ray of light is being incident on this one like this. Antena?
Yes.
This is the slab right now of A and as well as of your B. దీని refractive index ఎంత mu1 is equals to root 2. దీని ఎంత ఇక్కడ mu2 is equals to 2. This is your A and B. This one is your angle of your incidence I. Isn't it? Now it is getting reflected means we need to apply the critical angle concept.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So right now the ray of light is going from which medium beta? Mu2 kada. So it is mu2 into your sine. This should be the critical angle because I must be equal to what beta? Critical angle. That must
Yes.
be equal to your mu1 into your sine. Angle of
Sine,
refraction should be equal to your 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
So this will be equal to how much for mu2 is how much for mu2? 2 times of your sine C is equals to mu1. Mu1 is root 2 into sine 90.
Sine
Sine 90
91.
is how much for me? 1. That means sine C will be equal to how much for me? Root 2 divided by 2. That means this
Yes,
one is root 2 divided by 2 is can be written as root 2 into root 2. This one will get cancelled. So sine C is equals to how much for me? 1 by root.
Yes.
Sine C is equals to 1 by root 2 means, so for what value it will be 1 by root 2 beta? Sine 45 only, na?
Yes, sir. Sine 45
So
is
this one will get cancelled. So this critical angle should be equal to how much for me?
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now for TIR to take place, now this is not a TIR. Kada. So
Yes,
now for total internal reflection, what is the condition? Your angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. That
Yes.
means your eye must be greater than 45 degrees. Is that condition clear?
Yes.
అంతే కదా ఇప్పుడు if this is the first ray what we have taken is right now here it is refracted అవుతుందని చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం మనం. This is 90 degrees.
Yes.
Now in order to get reflect this I must be greater than critical angle. If I is this C then this is the condition. If I is greater than C then only TIR will take place. That means I must be greater than 45 degrees. Is that clear?
Yes.
Sure. If I take the lower surface right now. No ray of light has been incident on this one. So this will be the angle of incidence IF. This is C and this is your D beta. Isn't it? Here it is mu2.
Yes.
That is nothing but 2. And this is your mu3. This is equals to root 3. Hona kada? Now tell me critical angle right now. This is your angle of your incidence I. So
Yes.
again right now the ray of light is incidenting from the upper medium, that is mu2 into your sine. If I value is say for example some C dash, that will be equal to your mu3 into your sine. Angle of refraction must be equal to 90 degrees. First condition.
Yes.
Mu2 value is 2 into your sine of your C dash is equals to mu3 is root 3 into sine 90 is nothing but 1. So sine C dash will be equal to how much beta? Sine of your C dash is equals to root 3 by 2. For what value of sine it is root 3 by 2? Sine 60. So 60, this sign will get cancelled. So C dash is equals to how much for me? 60 degrees.
Yes, sir.
That means for the surface CD, when the TIR will take place? For TIR to take place, your angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. Then
Yes,
only the
sir.
total
More
internal
than
reflection will take place. No, that means
yes,
I must be greater than of your 60 degrees.
yes,
So what should be the minimum angle beta? So minimum angle for this one to get reflect must be equal to 60 degrees. This will be the answer for the surface of your CD.
yes, sir.
So clear?
Yes,
And if I'm taking this one as one surface, and if I'm taking this one as of your one surface, if reflections are happening continuously right now for this one, and if this one is your normal, this ray of light is being incident, it will get reflect incident on this one. Again, this will be the normal. Again, it will get reflect like this. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D. Clear?
yes, sir.
This one is your mu1, this one is your mu2, and this one is of your mu3. So in order to reflect from the CD, your minimum angle of your incidence should be equal to how much for me? 60 degrees. Then only TIR will take place.
Yes, sir.
Very good question, Peter. To try to practice it 2 to 3 times for the competitive examination.
Okay, sir.
You will be getting confused with these models. So please try to take your own time and try to understand the question from this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, see this question. This is also a very good question. A ray of light is traveling in a glass of refractive index 3 by 2 is incident on an horizontal glass air surface at the critical angle C. If the thin layer of the water of refractive index 4 by 3 is now poured on the glass air surface, at what angle will the ray of the light will be emerging into your air at the water and air interface part of the relation? Okay, see, I'll give the diagram.
Yes.
A ray of light has been traveling in a glass. It has been traveling in a glass of refractive index of 3 by 3 is incident on an horizontal glass and air interface. Glass and as well as of your air interface part of relation at the critical angle C. If the thin layer of the water is now poured onto the glass air surface, at what angle will the ray of light will emerge into the air at the water and air interface? This is again a good question for us. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now the ray of light is going from where? But a ray of light is traveling from glass. That means this one is your glass. Down. Then refractive index refractive index of glass is generally 3 by 2. Okay. A ray of light is
Yes.
being incident on this one like this. When a ray of light is being incident on this one like this. This is the ray of light. And this will be the normal for this one. This will be the angle such that it will be critical angle. Okay.
Yes.
Now see the question right now. A ray of light is traveling in a glass of mu is equals to 3 by 2 is being incident on an horizontal glass and air interface. This actually air unde intaku mundu. Okay. At a critical angle under. That is nothing but a viewer C. Okay. Critical angle means the ray of light will go parallel to the surface and R value will become for me 90 degrees. Imagine this is actually an air right now. So when it is air means this will be the angle of refraction. So R will be equal to how much for me? 90 degrees.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now if I'm talking about for your glass and air surface. For glass and air surface, tell me the Snell's law beta. This one is refractive index of glass into your sin C will be equal to refractive index of your air into
Air
your
into
sin.
sin
Angle
R.
of refraction is 90
90.
degrees. Glass
Yes.
is nothing but 3 by 2 into your sin C will be equal to 1 into sin 90 is also 1.
1.
That means sin C will be equal to 1 by 3 by 2. This will
2
become
by
for how
3.
much? 2 by 3.
Yes.
This is for what? This is for your glass to air interface, glass to air surface. Now let us
Yes.
try to do what we are telling right now. Now it has been filled with the water. Now when it is been filled with the water right now, this is your water particulation and this will become right now air above than the.
Yes.
So now the air right now you see that now water is been, if a thin layer of water is been poured onto the glass and air interface, at what angle will the ray of light will emerge into air at the water and air surface. Now that means so from this one what is happening is it will not undergo the critical angle but it will bend right now somewhere here, and
Yes,
from
sir.
here it will try to go out. So this will be the normal, and from here it will be your going out particulation. Again this one is
Here
written
it
how
will
much?
be.
90 degrees.
Yes.
This one is 90 degrees.
Critical.
Okay, na critical. That means this angle should be equal to how much right now? R. This is your angle of your refraction. Because this one will be the R kada bro, isn't it? So
Yes.
that will be your R right now. So this will be your R. So this one will also will be equal to your R, isn't it? When water is being poured
Yes.
in front of that. That means now we are talking about what beta? Refraction at your surface of this one is say for example A, and this one is of your B, and this one is C, and this one is of your D. There is a refraction right now at your AB and as well as of your CD kada. Bending of the ray of light is happening.
Yes.
So now if I'm talking, because when there was no water, then R was 90 degrees. Problem akkada clear అయిపోయింది. But one more, when denser medium has been come into the play, now the ray of light has been slightly bended right now.
Yes.
Because when a ray of light is going from the glass to your water, there will be the bending. That means there will be refraction at the surface of your AB beta. So refraction
Yes.
at your AB will be equal to how much better? If I'm talking about refraction at AB, this is your glass into your sine of your C will be equal to refractive index of your water into sine of your R. Refractive index of glass is how much? 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Sin C value is how much for me? 2 by 3. Refractive index of water
4
is
by
4
3.
by 3 into your sine of your R. So sine
Yes.
R ఎంత అవుతుందన్న? Sine R will be equal to
1 is equals to 4 by 3
3 by
ante.
4.
Yes, sir. 3 by 4.
So sin R will be equal to 3 by 4. Now if I'm
Yes.
talking about refraction at your right now, refraction at your air, because now when the ray of light is going from water to air, refraction is happening in air gada.
Yes, sir.
So now if I'm talking about refraction at your, if I'm talking about your refraction at water and air surface, that is CD. If I'm talking about the refraction at your water and air surface, that means when a ray of light is going from water to air, that means denser medium to your rarer medium.
Rarer medium.
I'll write here right now, refractive index of water into your sine R will be equal to your 1 into your sine. This one will be some angle of your theta. Isn't it? ఇది రిఫ్రాక్టెడ్ యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇది 90 degrees పోతుందా లేదా అనేది మనకు తెలియదు. So that value we need to calculate whether I'm getting the 90 degrees or not. Refractive index of water
Okay,
is how
sir.
much for me? 4 by 3. So sin R is how much for me?
Yes.
3 by 4. That is
Whether we're
equal
getting
to
a
1
critical
into your
angle.
sine of your 90. This one is getting cancelled.
Yes.
So sin theta is equals to 1
1,
and
sir.
theta will be
Ante
equal
90,
to
sir.
90 degrees. That means the final ray of light
90.
is going along the surface of your water. That means the ray will emerge parallel to the air and water interface, I can say. Isn't it? The ray
Yes, sir.
will emerge. The ray will emerge parallel to your water and air surface. Water and air surface. Is it clear? Good
Yes.
question. Very, very, very important model. If the question is a little bit of a higher level, this is the way how do we get the question based upon the solutions. Okay, na? Manchi question.
Yes, sir.
In your level 3 in your material, you will be getting such type of questions. Level
Yes,
2 lo kuda
sir.
untayi general ga koncham lengthy method, but still for the NEET examination you need to remember such type of your models.
Okay.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Exam రేపే కదా?
Yes, sir. Repo 3:30 to 6:30, sir.
This week you bunked a lot of classes now. Classes are available.
Yes, sir. This week we only have.
ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
ఎలక్ట్రో స్టడీస్ కూడా మనం మధ్యలోనే ఆపేసాం, అది ఎప్పుడు చేయాలో మనం.
Yes, sir. Actually, now I'm feeling better, sir. So, like next week, properly we'll.
Sure. See this question. A rectangular block of a glass is being placed on a printed page lying on a horizontal surface. Find the minimum value of the refractive index of the glass for which the letters on the page are not visible from any of the vertices of the block. జనరల్ గా మనం పాతకాలంలో చూసింటాం కదా, కలెక్టర్ టేబుల్ అనా లేకపోతే డాక్టర్స్ టేబుల్స్ పైన దేర్ విల్ బి ఏ గ్లాస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సర్ఫేస్ టు యాజ్ ఏ పెన్ హోల్డర్, పేపర్ హోల్డర్స్.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Something like that. So that that paper holders are something in the form of what right now? A rectangular block. We got a rectangular block of a glass and it is being placed on a printed page. A page is being placed and it is being placed on that one. It is lying on a horizontal surface. Find the minimum value of the refractive index of the glass. The glass and the refractance of made in Dala, such that the letters on the page are not visible from any vertical surfaces. Generally, when that type of your glass type of metal is being placed, the letters will appear to be raised and we can able to see what exactly is written there. Now, if the person is sitting on the other side of a table and he's trying to see through that glass slab, he can see some of the letters on the vertical faces, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, in order to not to see that one, so what should be the refractive index of that glass material is asking. Okay, na? So try to understand the question carefully. We got a rectangular block. So let me draw the first rectangular block. So this is your rectangular. So this is your rectangular block. And a ray of light is being incident on this one. Idi mana center. And a ray of light. This will be the letter here. So from here, the ray of light will go like this. Okay. And this will be again a normal right now here. Okay. In order the ray of light should not go on other side, it should again reflect back into the same medium right now here like this. Okay. So I'll explain you the diagram. So letter is somewhere here. Okay. Some letters are
Yes,
there like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Some letters have been there. This ray of light from this surface will be incident on this one beta. So this will be your some angle right now. That is, say for example of your, if it is a critical angle, then it will undergo the refraction, kada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Then that means here it is incidenting again right now with some angle. That is nothing but I naught. And from here again it is reflected. That means the ray of light is not going outside. That means it is undergoing what? TIR, kada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? It is undergoing your TIR. So this is your refractive index mu. This is, say for example, some letter. I'm taking this one as of your capital A, this one as of your B part. Is the diagram clear? Now read the question, you'll get an idea. We got a rectangular block of a glass which is being placed on a printed page lying on a horizontal surface. The minimum value of the refractive index of a glass at mu, for which the letters which are on which the pages are not visible from any vertical faces. That means from all the surfaces it should be undergoing what? TIR. Now see,
Yes, sir.
first if I'm taking this critical angle beta, you know that sin C will be equal to how much per mu? 1 by mu. An angle of refraction is becoming 90 degrees.
Yes.
What should be the I naught value beta? See from the figure, I naught a place of your C will be 90 degrees. This triangle
Yes.
ABP. Hona?
Yes, sir.
A, capital A, B, and this P. This total angle should be equal to how much right now? This I naught plus C must be equal to how much for me? 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
This is 90 degrees. isn't it? So then what will be the value of I naught? I naught will be equal to how much value? 90 degrees minus C.
Yes.
Now for TIR, what should be the condition? For total internal reflection. Ante general ga ray of light, if it is a critical angle, this blue light should have been gone like this. This blue light should have been gone like this. It was supposed to go along the surface. But it is going again into the same medium. Ante TIR will be happening at that condition. TIR avalante your angle of incidence on the vertical face must be greater than or equal to critical angle.
Yes.
That means here 90 minus of your C must be greater than or equal to your critical angle. Isn't it?
Yes.
That means I can write here 90 degrees must be greater than or equal to minus C. If we go here, this will become for me 2C. So this will be 2 ones, this will be your 245s. And a 45 degrees must be greater than or equal to your C. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Now, if I'm writing in terms of your sine, refractive index kavalante. So can I write this one as, so multiply by sine on both the sides. Sine 45 should be greater than or equal to your sine of your C. Sine 45 is how much? 1 by root. This will be greater than or equal to. Sine C value is how much for me? 1 by mu. Isn't it? So how much I'm getting mu? Mu should be greater than or equal to root 2. That means minimum value of this one must be equal to how much for root 2 must be the answer. That means if a glass is made up of a refractive index of your root 2, then the letters will not be visible from any of the vertical faces.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good question. Very, very, very good question right now. Okay, na?
Okay.
So like this only we'll be getting the problems. But critical angle when last time also we did some problems, brother. Or we have not done any
Yes,
problems.
sir. Yes, sir. Chesam, sir.
Cheshama?
Yes, sir. Yes.
దీనిపైన అప్లికేషన్ చాలా పని లేదు.
Okay.
లాటరల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ చెప్పానా?
లేదు సార్.
లాటరల్ షిఫ్ట్ చెప్పలేదు కదా?
లేదు సార్.
లాటరల్ షిఫ్ట్ ఫామ్ లో కూడా చెప్పాను. చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది, షిఫ్ట్ చేసేసుకున్నాం పని. Lateral displacement, or we can say it as a few shift. Lateral displacement, or we can say this one as a few shift. Okay, what do you mean by that one? What do you mean by that one? See here. Say for example, this is some slab. Okay, and thickness of this slab is, say for example, T width. Thickness of this slab is how much for mu? T is the thickness of this one. Okay, and a ray of light is being incident on this one. This is, say for example, a normal. Okay. A ray of light is being incident on this one from rarer medium like this. Now tell me, when a ray of light is entering from rarer medium, this is your angle of incidence beta I. Hona?
Yes.
Generally what happens? When a ray of light is entering from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal like this.
Towards the north. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this will be the angle of refraction.
Yes.
Actually, in the absence of this one, ante okavela slab ganaka lekapoyinte, this light might have been traveled like this.
Yeah.
In a straight way. So this was actually the incident ray of light. Okavela slab lekapothe, the ray of light might have been traveled like that. But in this one, what is happening is, because of this one, this has bended right now. So this has been refracted, isn't it? So if I draw a normal right now for this one here, okay, from here the ray of light will be, what is happening beta? We are going from denser medium to rarer medium, but it will go like this. It will be going like this. it will be going away from the normal axis.
Yes.
So this will be the again angle of your incidence. If here it is air and here it is air beta, with whatever angle it is been incident, with the same angle it will be emerging out. Okay,
Yes.
na? Make sure of that one. If the upper surface and below surface are same, if above angle is 30 degrees, below angle will also be 30 degrees.
Yes.
Okay. So this one is say for example P, this one is say for example Q, this one is say R, and this one is just C. What is the shift here? Can you tell me? Shift is this much,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? That means if I draw this one with this pen, this will be the shift,
Yes.
isn't it? So now tell me what is this angle? I
Sir,
minus
it is
R,
I minus.
isn't it? And this angle is exactly perpendicular to this one. So this one is here 90 degrees, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this one is your R. So obviously alternate angles gabati. So this will also will become how much for me your R.
R.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So must try to simplify this one by applying the Snell's law for the given condition. Like say, if I'm taking this one as of your A, this one as say for example B, and this one as of your C, and this point is say for example D. Okay. So in the triangle
Yes.
ABC, I need the shift color BC. I need. I can
Yeah.
write sine I minus R is equals to how much better? That will be equal to your how much further?
Sir, it's the angle we need.
Yes.
Yes.
Sine I minus R ento cheppu. Now tell me what is sine I minus R from the triangle ABC. BC divided by AB.
Yes.
Avuna kada? Is it clear?
BC divided by AB. Yes.
Isn't it?
Opposite
So I can say
by
that
hand.
BC is lateral displacement kabatti. Lateral displacement is what better? BC, hai na? So now from this one I can calculate BC. BC will be equal to how much better? AB into sine of your I minus R. This will be your lateral displacement. That means if I know AB, I can calculate that one. Okay. Now see the triangle ADB. There is one more triangle kada. I can calculate from that one. So triangle of
Yes.
your ADB. From the triangle ADB, I can write cos R is equals to. Tell me what I'll write. Cos R is equals to AD divided by AB. AD divided by AB. This perpendicular divided by hypothesis cos theta.
Yes, sir.
So AB, that means this will become for me AD divided by your AB. That means A to B will be equal to how much better? AD divided by your cos R. A to D is nothing but thickness divided by cos R. A to D is nothing but thickness. See the diagram. A to D is nothing but what? A to D is nothing but thickness T. Kada?
Yes.
Isn't it? So A to B is equal to T by cos R. So therefore I can write BC is equal to how much better? B to C is equal to AB la substitute. This is T by your cos R, T by your cos R, T by your cos R into your sine of your I minus of your R. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
So now lateral displacement formula is BC is equals to your thickness of the glass slab into sine into I minus r divided by your cos r. So this will be your lateral displacement formula. Is it clear? So this is your lateral displacement formula. Clear? Clear, Abhita? So if I need to calculate this BC part, you can directly use this formula. B2C is equals to thickness T into sine I minus r divided by your cos r partial relation. Okay, now?
Yes.
So let us try to stop here, Vita, now. And if it is possible, can we make it tomorrow in the morning hours, Vita? For only numericals, no theory. From the refraction
Yes.
and the critical angles, we'll try to do some numericals for your exam. No theory, only
Okay, sir.
numericals. Over 20-25 మంచి మోడల్స్ చేసేసుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా?
Yes.
Early in the morning
Sir,
చేసుకున్నాం. 6:30 or 7 o'clock.
8 o'clock, sir. Sir, 8 o'clock is fine.
8 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay. 8 o'clock
Sir,
చేసుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా?
or I'll text you, sir.
Yeah, fine.
మీకు ఒకసారి కాల్
you
చేస్తాను.
have exam కదా, ఓన్లీ న్యూమరికల్స్ అని చెప్పించుకోకపోతే మన రే ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇబ్బంది పడతారు.
అవును సార్.
మన ఓన్లీ న్యూమరికల్స్ చేసుకున్నాం మార్నింగ్ ఒకసారి.
అంటే కాదు సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఐ మే హ్యావ్ మై కెమిస్ట్రీ క్లాస్ ఐ మే హ్యావ్ ఇట్ అట్ 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, సార్. సో 6 కుంటే 7 to 8 చేసుకుందాం సార్. ఎస్ సార్. ఇంకా అదే
ఈరోజు కెమిస్ట్రీ క్లాస్ లేదా?
రేపు మార్నింగ్ ఉంది సార్.
ఈరోజు లేదా?
ఈరోజు కూడా ఉండే సార్.
అయిపోయిందా?
ఎస్ సార్, అయిపోయింది. మన క్లాస్ ముందు.
Okay, చలో, no problem. Okay, tomorrow morning we'll make that.
ఓకే సార్.